Looking to stretch your dollars further in 2025? Budgeting might sound simple, but finding the right tools can make a huge difference. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets to discovering hidden budgeting tools that can save you time and money. From lesser-known apps to free resources you didn't know existed, we've got you covered. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with tools to master your finances effortlessly. 1. Explore free budgeting. Apps. Most people have heard of apps like Mint and YNAB, but did you know there are hidden gems out there? For example, Good Budget is a digital envelope system perfect for controlling spending. Or try Pocket Guard, which shows exactly how much disposable income you have after bills. Some apps like Fudget are incredibly simple and ideal for people who get overwhelmed with too many features. Best of all, many of these apps have free versions packed with features. Take the time to research lesser-known apps that fit your lifestyle and needs. 2. Use hidden features in popular apps. Even well-known apps have features many users overlook. For example, in Mint, you can set specific savings goals and track progress automatically. In YNAB, use their feature to age your money, which helps you avoid living paycheck to paycheck. Apps like Personal Capital also include tools for tracking your investment performance. Great for long-term goals. Explore the settings and tutorials of your favorite budgeting apps to unlock their full potential. 3. Check out bank tools. Did you know your bank may already offer budgeting tools? Many banks now include spending trackers or savings goal features within their apps. For instance, Chase's Budget Builder breaks down expenses and suggests saving strategies. Capital One's Eno is an AI assistant that tracks your subscriptions and alerts you to unnecessary spending. These tools are free for account holders and often integrate seamlessly with your financial data. 4. Discover government resources. Sometimes the best budgeting tools are completely free and provided by the government. In the US, websites like mymoney.gov offer worksheets, calculators, and resources to help you plan. In Australia, the moneysmart.gov.au site has free budgeting templates and expense trackers. Many governments provide financial literacy programs that include budgeting advice tailored to different life stages. These resources are often overlooked but can be incredibly effective. 5. Leverage spreadsheet templates. Not into fancy apps? Spreadsheets can be just as powerful, and there are free templates all over the internet. Google Sheets has a built-in budgeting template you can customize to suit your needs. Websites like vertex42.com and Tiller Money offer professional templates for free or at low cost. Spreadsheets are great because they give you full control over your data and are highly customizable. 6. Join online communities. Sometimes the best tools come from other people's recommendations. Join Facebook groups or subreddits like Our Personal Finance or Our Budgeting. These communities share tips on hidden tools and strategies that have worked for them. You'll often find discussions about free tools, new apps, or DIY strategies that aren't widely advertised. Plus, you'll gain motivation from others on the same financial journey as you. 7. Don't forget about cashback and discount apps. While not traditional budgeting tools, cashback apps can help you save significantly. Apps like Rakuten and Honey automatically apply discounts or give you cashback on purchases. Fetch Rewards lets you scan receipts to earn points that convert into gift cards. Using these tools alongside a budgeting plan can free up extra cash for savings or debt repayment. 8. Explore local community resources. Many local libraries and community centers offer free financial workshops and tools. Some even provide access to budgeting software or one-on-one financial coaching. For example, nonprofits like United Way often have programs to help families create effective budgets. Check with local organizations or search online for free events in your area. Budgeting doesn't have to feel like a chore when you have the right tools. From free apps and hidden features to government resources and online communities, the options are endless. Take some time to explore these secrets, and you'll be well on your way to mastering your budget. Remember, the key to successful budgeting is consistency and finding tools that work for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this video with someone who could use a little budgeting help. The information shared in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Please consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any financial decisions. Need to keep your screen looking busy? Sign up for our free email newsletter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notifications for more 5-minute fixes.